Hey there, beautiful people, where we delve into the world of science and explore ways to enhance your well-being. Today, we're taking a journey to the wonders of eye health and uncovering the secrets behind those sparkling peepers. Eye Miracle Drinks, unveiling the elixir of vision. In the realm of natural remedies, Eye Miracle Drinks have emerged as a beacon of hope, promising to nourish and revitalize our eyes. But do these magical concoctions truly live up to their claims? Let's dive into the science behind these intriguing elixirs. Unveiling the science behind Eye Miracle Drinks. Eye Miracle Drinks typically contain a blend of fruits, vegetables, and herbs, each brimming with an array of nutrients and antioxidants. These powerhouses work in synergy to support eye health in various ways. Vitamin A crucial nutrient for maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A helps prevent night blindness and promotes overall eye function. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant. Vitamin C combats oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to eye diseases like cataracts. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids act as natural sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful UV rays and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Bilberry extract. Rich in anthocyanins, bilberry extract enhances blood flow to the eyes, improving circulation and potentially reducing eye strain. The verdict: can Eye Miracle Drinks work wonders? While the science behind Eye Miracle Drinks is promising, more extensive research is needed to fully establish their efficacy. However, incorporating the fruits, vegetables, and herbs found in these drinks into your diet can undoubtedly contribute to overall eye health. DIY Eye Miracle Drinks. Whip up your own vision potion. If you're ready to concoct your own Eye Miracle drink, here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of spinach, 1/2 cup of blueberries, 1/2 cup of pineapple, 1/2 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Instructions: 1. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. 2. Enjoy your refreshing and potentially eye-healthy elixir. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is paramount for maintaining optimal eye health. Regular eye exams, a balanced diet, and regular exercise are essential components of a vision preservation plan.